AI image generators, your gateway to a content marketing revolution. High-quality images are becoming easier to source and even more important to have. Here are some key features to look for when choosing an AI image generator. 1. Quality of images. Consider how faithfully your AI image generator can translate pixels into high-quality images. A blurry image won't do your company justice when introducing your brand and its unique selling points. Instead, look for AI art generators crafting accurate images by taking their cue from art models provided by renowned artists. 2. Image realism. Today's best AI art generators create photorealistic AI-generated portraits and scenes that capture lighting, textures, and depth perceptively. Evaluate realism across product images, landscapes, and conceptual art. In the best-case scenario, you'll never need to pay for stock photography again. 3. Picture customization. Look at softwares that let you adjust default settings according to your artwork visions. This way, you ensure that each time you create images, the piece aligns with what you'd initially envisioned. 4. Cost. Of course, we can't talk about business decisions without keeping an eye on the budget. Explore options between free versions and paid plans. Most AI art generators offer tokens per image or unlimited generations for a monthly fee. Remember, a wise investment now can save time and effort in the future. If you want an AI tool that keeps your business up to speed, head over to Pictory. At Pictory, our video generation and editing software is also powered by AI, creating professional and engaging video content marketing in minutes. Sign up for a free trial of Pictory today or upgrade your plan and enjoy 14 days of risk-free content creation.